Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you actually brand new to my channel, if you'd like to see more videos, if you can just hit that notification bell so you can see when I actually upload new vids. So let's get to it. This one is actually coming from Nike. This one was a shoe that was reserved for me on the Nike Plus app. And I was actually on the fence, but after looking at it, I decided to go with it. So let's get this package open. And from what I've seen from other videos, quality does look pretty decent on this. So, and receipt from Nike. Nothing else in the box, but as you can see, it is a Air Jordan 3 Retro box right here, and this is a size 10. Suggested retail was $190 though, so it is higher than before, and colorway is black, white. You know, people are calling this the Cyber Monday 3s, but it's not Cyber Monday yet. But here it is. You got the paper right there, and here are the shoes. Even the box is actually not put well together. It's all kind of, I don't know, but that is it right here. But
a few moments later.
Sorry, my video got interrupted, but as you can see, these are the shoes right here. Just do a quick spin of the shoe. As you can see, it's a simple shoe, you know, black and white. You got the white bottom right there with the Jordan branding. But you know, it's all an upper shoe. But as you can see, there's no elephant print on here. It's just like a smooth, I guess, like leather. And then you have this leather, which is, you know, feels pretty decent here. Then you got the Jumpman right there. And again, it's all black. And then you got the Jumpman Air sphere in the back. And there's like nothing in the back of the tab right there. And inside, we do have, it's just a black Jumpman as well. So the laces are somewhat different than the usual 3s. See right there. But here it is. You know, there are some, I guess, flaws right there. And actually a good amount of flaws actually as far as the paint is concerned. Let me see this one over here. Yeah, actually the paint job on this one is actually not good at all. So this one is actually probably gonna go back, since yeah, I'm not too happy with this pair at all. But here they are. You know, even though they charge, you know, the $190 price for it, you know, they did upgrade the upper, but again, the craftsmanship is still, you know, subpar, you know, compared to other brands. Paint is just sloppy now that I'm looking at it. But so yeah, I'm not really too happy with this pair. So this one is actually gonna go back. I'm not keeping this. Alright YouTube, if you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. Alright YouTube, peace.